everyone, welcome to Big Cals Garage. Today I'm going to attempt to try and sort out some of the issues that we got with this bonnet. So after it was sandblasted, it come back with some warpages in and around where the bracing is. So rather than scrap the whole bonnet, I've brought some shrinking discs, which I've never used before, but we're going to give it a crack. Watched at least 2 videos on YouTube, so pretty much an expert now. Read the instructions. So we're going to have a crack at seeing if we can fix some of this damage and see if we can save the bonnet. I'll show you where I'm at. Alright, so this is the bonnet on the Valiant. Now I've just run around with a bit of engineer's chalk to show where the issues are. If you look underneath the bonnet, the bracing's basically the mirror image of that. So what we've got is, in all these areas that are circled or low spots, we sit this on here. The worst area is really through the middle here. So we brought, like I said, I brought some shrinking discs and we're going to give it a go. Alright, so we're back after playing around with the shrinking disc. It looks terrible, but it's a damn sight better than what it was. So it's not the big, and you can't really see. It's hard for me to do it with one hand, but it's got a hump in it. It's there. But I knew all along that the bonnet was going to need a full skim coat of filler anyway. You can see all the nasty pitting, and it wasn't a great bonnet. So I'm not too stressed about it. I might do a bit more work with the shrinking disc in a couple of areas now that I've flipped it over, but apart from that, I'm pretty happy for the first time use of it. Am I an expert in shrinking discs? No, definitely not, but it's a cool thing to just try and learn something else, and hopefully I can put it to some more use. And remember guys, to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this build. This hasn't been the most exciting video, but hopefully there'll be some more in the future. See ya.